I'm gonna show you how fast it goes. Watch. Ready? Watch. Oh my God, the car. Watch, I'm gonna do one more. It's bumpy. Oh my God. Oh. Let's go somewhere else now before people get mad. Yeah. Let's go down that street. Or should we go closer to the truck? I mean, when this thing dies. We gotta look for a jump.
We're good? Good?
Yeah. Hey, that kind of looks like my truck, right?
Yeah.
But they put like big tires on it. Oh, they also are storing stuff on the top, you see?
Yeah. Should we just keep going?
There's a car coming. Or you want to turn up? Let me see. Wait, are they running suspension? Let me check. Yeah, they are. You see it?
Yeah.
And they have a sunshade too. Let's go. Let's just do the alley again, yeah. Cut up because I'm gonna do the screech again. Oh, there's a car, we gotta go quick. Like a Nike ad? Wait, let me try that one more time, watch. Almost parked it on you. Okay, let's go. You ready? I've never been on one of these before. Oh, bump right there. Let's go up. Here. This is a one-way. Cars are going this way. Should we go on the sidewalk? Do you know how to get back to my truck area?
Yeah, it's just down.
I'm gonna try hopping this. Yeah. Want me to give you speed? A little bit? I'll give you a little bit of speed. Pass me your hand. Just a little bit. Watch, I'm not gonna give you a lot because I don't want you to fall.
Yeah. Oh.
Is that good?
Yeah, go.
I'm not trying to make you fall.
Go.
Let go?
Yeah, go.
Okay, go. I'll catch up. How do we get to the truck? Should we go down in one of these? I don't see the truck.
We have to keep going.
Do I go here?
No, we have to keep going.
Keep on going. Oh, a jump! Look! Wait, did you get that or no? Let me go one more. You ready?
Yeah.
Stay right there where you're at. Watch this. Oh. Okay, let's go somewhere else now. Wait, I think I found a jump. Look, right here. Oh, watch. You ready? Oh, there was a, did you see the dip?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the basketball hoop. You see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Watch. Ready? Oh, it's like a skate park. Did you see that?
Yeah.
What the? Wait, what did you think about it when you wrote it?
That shit was actually fun.
It actually moved quicker than I was expecting.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be.
And they
slow.
rent these to anyone. I'm like, you want to go straight down there? Or
Yeah, let's go.
I'm looking for a little jump. Or should we keep on going?
Let's go that way.
Okay.
That looks fun.
What? There's a major dip right here. Look at hard. Boom. I wonder if this thing wheelies. You dropped something? Oh. Did you see that? Yeah. It was coming up. Wait, watch. Come closer. Ready? Watch. Wait. Wait, how did I do that? Oh. I kind of had it up. We might have to buy one. I wonder how much they are. Oh wait, is that a little jump right there? Or no? But you would have to watch out, make sure I don't get hit by a car.
Yeah.
What should I do? Should we keep on going straight?
Yeah.
Okay. How much time do I have left on this?
Does it say no?
No, it says. No, it doesn't say. Doesn't say on the app?
You want me to pause the video?
No, we could just run until it's dead. I'm just looking for a jump. Well, let me try going over this. I think it's solid. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Wait, let me try wheeling over here. Come. Because now we finally got room to ourselves. Did you see that? That thing's hard. Let's try again. Ready? Ready? Watch. I couldn't get it up. You want to cut down the street? Let's go over here.
Yeah.
You want to go down here? Oh my God. They're hard to control. Oh, watch this. Look. Watch. You saw that? Let's rerun it. You go ahead of me and kind of film backwards.
Okay.
Ready? Here I come. Oh, another one right here. Watch, ready?
Wait, can I try some?
wonder if I should scoot this the
Wait, you know
trash
what you
can
can
over.
try to do? You can try to get some speed from the alleyway. and
No,
then
I'm
come
not
straight.
afraid of speed. I'm afraid of like my front wheel hitting the ground first. I need to like lift and make sure they, you know what I mean? If I could do it. Oh my God. Oh! Did you think I had it or no?
I think you had it.
Bro, it looks big. That's a big jump, no?
Yeah, that's a pretty big jump.
How about if I
2 stairs.
I want to come and then like see if I could, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me see. Did you get that? Oh. Did you think it had it or no? I'm afraid to send it. I'm afraid of like, wait. Let me see. Did you catch me jumping it?
Just put it back on. That thing's probably always been broken. There you go.
Okay, go again.
Yeah. Go again.
Did you see that?
Go again, yeah.
Was it actually good?
Yeah, that was good.
Car coming.
Was it a bad jump or no?
I don't know. I felt like I was in the air for a long time. Should I do it or no? Do it quickly?
Yeah.
This thing moves. Bro, this thing has torque. Like you go and hit the brake and the thing just like, you did it.
God damn. Actually,
I'm gonna jump this with the bird scooter and let's see how it does on impact.
yep.
I'm gonna go quick. Could you get one of me where I go by fast to see how fast it goes?
Yeah.
But could you like, I want to do it in the, I'm gonna come by quick.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
can you make sure there's no cars coming?
Mhm.
And could you be like,
Yeah.
and then gives me. Am I good? Watch this. Wait. Oh, why can't I pop it up now? That was fun. We gotta jump it.
Go.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get. Yeah. Let's go to the skateboard. Thing actually moves quicker than I thought. I'm gonna jump this with the bird scooter and let's see how it does on impact.
Yep.
Okay.